Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel, Chili 1911. Got another box today in the mail. Thought I'd bring y'all along with me and see what we got. So we'll go ahead and open it up. W.R. Case and Sons. Any guesses on which one? Can't tell it's stainless steel by the box. It's a gray box. Chrome vanadium's usually in more like a yellowish tan box. Black Synthetic Smooth Sod Buster Jr. Model 2137 SS. You always get your product information packet. I haven't bought a case since probably the Canoe. I haven't got one of these before. About the Collectors Club. It's always wrapped in this paper, new cases. Got the Sod Buster Jr. agriculture scene on it. True sharp stainless steel. I've never had a Sod Buster or a Sod Buster Jr. in this case. So I thought I'd pick one up. To get one other thing in the package. Little medium case sheath. I've got a larger one of these for like 100 size. Let's see if it'll, see how sharp it is. Feels pretty good. It's kind of dirty, to tell you the truth, but these are more of a working, everyday use style knife and not really a one of the more refined Pretty case knife. Pretty tight fit. Now, they didn't say the sod buster would go in this. I just picked it up to see if it would, and it does. You leave it in there to let it break in some, but it's a very tight fit. I like that horizontal style carry versus a vertical. But anyway, there we go. Do another video on the Sod Buster Junior itself, but thought I'd bring y'all along with me on this unboxing. Kind of a surprise, see what we get. But anyway, stay tuned. We'll do a video on the knife itself, a little more in depth. Thanks for watching. Chili 1911 out.